Meaning of evening primrose.
Evening primrose.
Evening primrose.
Evening primrose.
Evening primrose. Evening primrose refers to a flowering plant that blooms in the evening and is native to North America. Its scientific name is Inothera biennis. The plant has a variety of uses, including dietary supplements, cosmetics, and medicinal purposes. Evening primrose oil is commonly used for its potential benefits in treating inflammation, hormonal imbalances, and skin conditions such as eczema and acne. The plant also has cultural significance among some indigenous American tribes and is sometimes used for ceremonial purposes.